So guys, in this video we are going to learn how to lock a zip file. For this purpose I am using WinRAR application. I also made a video how to install WinRAR for free. The link is given in the description, you can check it out once. So in this video I am going to lock these two files. Just select those files and hit add to archive. Here you can select the format. I am selecting it to zip and I am deleting the files after I install. Here you can set the password, hit on it. After you are done with the password, hit OK. I am renaming the file to YouTube Premium 2020. Actually it is my next video, how to install YouTube Premium for free in mobile. So our zip file is ready. I am trying to extract it. Yeah, here we go. It is asking for the password. I think we have done with our purpose. So that's it for this video guys. Let me see you in my next video. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel. Thank you.